In this video, we basically want to show that the derivative of this expression that I have in the parentheses is equal to sine cubed of x. Now in the last video, we actually worked this problem out. It was the integral of sine cubed dx, and we showed that that was equal to this expression right here in the parentheses. We used basic formulas of integrals for sine, cosine, and we applied the u substitution. So this is really just a check on that problem, a little exercise on computing the derivative, little practice I guess. Let's start right here. So take the derivative, so I'm going to just distribute the derivative here, term by term. So this is the first term, this is the second term, and then I'm going to try to simplify it or simplify it, and then try to get this expression over here. So derivative of cosine, we can factor out the negative over here. The derivative of cosine. I'll put the equals over here. So the objective is to get this here. Derivative of cosine is minus sine. Of x. And of course the double negative there will cancel that. And then we go to the next one. The derivative of cosine cubed of x. Here we have to use the chain rule. We can bring this 3 over in front, so this will go 3. And then we have a 3 in the bottom. Cosine. And this becomes a 2 then. And this is multiplied by the derivative of cosine using the chain rule. And the derivative of cosine, we said, is minus sine of x. This is equal to, let's simplify this here, the 3 and the 3 here are going to cancel, and this right here become a plus, so this was going to stay a negative in here. So let's just factor out a sine. So we're going to sine here, we're going to sine here. This double negative makes that a positive, so let's take out the sine of x. So this would be a 1 right here. Then I got the minus here. It's minus. And then I've got the cosine squared of x. And then this is equal to sine of x. And we know one of your basic fundamental identities is cosine squared of an angle plus sine squared of an angle is equal to 1. Or you can say it's sine squared of an angle plus cosine squared of the same angle equals to 1. So solving that, and let me write up here, this identity here, cosine squared of an angle, and since we're using x here, let's just keep an x here. Cosine squared of x plus sine squared of x is equal to 1. And you can see from this that if I solve this identity here for sine squared will equal to 1 minus cosine squared. So this can be replaced by sine squared. And of course if I multiply these two out, sine x times sine squared x, that gives me sine cube of x. And that's what we wanted to show. So again, this is just a check on the answer that we got on the last video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.